Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Beauty by Faye. It's Monday. Yeah, I missed you guys so much. So guys, I am doing a lot of firsts today. I have purple here. This is just a wig I picked up off of Amazon. I'm trying to venture out into different things. I'm going to do a green halo cut crease for the very first time. You know what? I don't even know what to do with this hair. Maybe you guys can give me some advice. I made this hair purple myself. Oh my gosh, it is rubbing off on my clothes. It came like a 613 blonde.
Worldwide, baby. Jenny, taking this one worldwide.
So as always, I start with the brow. I look a little bit wonky. Do I look wonky? Guys, I have to do something with these brows. Oh my gosh. I think I have to go back to the old school way of probably, shaving them with a good old razor blade. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. Some of you might if you're from my country, and some of you might not. So back home, we use a razor blade to shave our eyebrows. You don't know anything about waxing and stuff, girl, so we gotta go back to that because this thing is getting crazy. So I'm going to be cleaning up my brow using some NARS concealer. I'm gonna prime my lid using my Nana Coco concealer. So I like using this concealer from Nana Coco to prime my lids because it's so light and it helps the eyeshadow to show up a little bit more. The brighter you wanna go with the shadows, go lighter with the concealer for the lid or the primer. What in the world is going on here? What is going on here? Okay, so I don't know what that is. So I'll be using two palettes today. I'll be using the Zulu from Juvias Place, and I'll be using the Morphe 35B palette. For the first look, I will be going in with this green. I feel like on camera, they look a little bit different, but So I'm going to sweep this here. I feel like I'm going to be doing both eyes at the same time. I don't normally do that, but today I'm going to be doing that, switch things up a little bit. For the next color, I'll be using this color. It looks like it's lighter, but it's not lighter. I feel like you can't even go wrong with e.l.f. brushes, they're nice. So guys, I did my first Facebook Live a couple days ago. Oh my gosh. I was so shy. Oh my gosh. I'm still even shy coming on here doing makeup looks. But now is the best time while we are in quarantine to start doing something new. Get yourself out of your comfort zone, and try doing new things. So next I'm going to go in with this one. So So for the next color, I'm going to try this color. It looks sort of blue, but I am a risk taker. I like to take risks. I don't know what this color does, but I'm going to try it out. For the next color, I'm going into this darker shade of green. I am going to take this, a little bit of this black, and I'm going to run it slightly into the crease because I feel like this is not as green as I would want it to be. I'm going to just soften up the line at the top, and I'm going to use orange. I don't know, I feel like orange goes with green. I don't know if anybody else agrees with me. Alright, so now that I have that blended out, I'm going to go back into my Nana Coco Professional Concealer. And this concealer, I picked it up at the beauty supply store. I'm not even sure if they have them still. I feel like this line is discontinued, but you can use any type of light color concealer. So I'm just gonna cut my crease. I've cut my crease, and now I'm going to go back in with this dark shade of green, and I'm just gonna pop it at the outer corner of the eyes. This is my very first attempt at a halo cut crease, so don't judge me too harsh, guys. Don't judge me too harsh, okay? Doing the same for this eye, but I like to push myself. I like to try new things. You know, while you guys are in quarantine, this is the perfect time to try something new, venture out into something new that you always wanted to try. Like for me, I always wanted to try doing makeup, but I never built up the courage. So now I'm trying to do something new, and I just hope you guys like it, because I'm always a shy person. I never want to put myself out there. To top this bad boy off, I'm going in with this green here, and I'm using this small brush because I am so afraid of messing this. That's on my lip. I'm so afraid of messing this up.
So I'm going to let them
So I'm gonna take this little brush and I'm just gonna blend out the edges because I don't want any harsh lines on the eye. I'm going to be using my trusty old Essence liner and I'm going to kind of create sort of a wing. For the face, I am going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer and I'm spritzing it on my hands and I'm pressing it onto my face. So I'm going to apply my concealer underneath my foundation today and it's in the shade number 17. I feel like with online shopping, the places that you can go and actually test out to get your perfect shade, it's kind of difficult. I'm using the All Nighter foundation from Urban Decay and they say it's waterproof. I'm not sure, I haven't tested it yet. It's kind of orange on me. That's why I decided to use the concealer first. So I can probably like even out things a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes and I'm using this shade at the top. My hands are purple from the dye, okay? So I'm gonna use my Jumbo e.l.f. pencil and I'm going to line my waterline. I'm almost done and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of the shimmerish yellow in this inner tear duct. I'm going to be using this dark red up here from my Juvia's Place blush palette. I'm going to be using my Milani highlighter. So I'm gonna line my lips using I'm gonna line my lip using my lip liner / eyeliner. I'm using this lipstick. Don't ask me where it's from because I don't know. I had it a long time. I probably picked this up at some little store. I'm going to go over this lipstick using some Essence Plumper. And I'm gonna put it right in the middle. I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Matte Continuous Setting Spray. While this dries, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit. I just want to tell you guys, go out there, do what you want, try something new. This is the perfect time to do it while we are all in quarantine. You know, I am kind of really shy. It took a lot for me to put myself out there, to show everyone my bare face, and I am proud of myself. The only thing you're going to regret is not trying. So always make sure you try your best. It doesn't matter what anybody want to say about you. I know it's not easy putting yourself out there to be judged and criticized by others, but the last thing you want is sitting in your house, an old lady, and saying, oh my gosh, man, I wish I did this. So start something new. Start it today. This is the right time to do it. And if you have made it to the end of my video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I post Mondays and Thursdays, so make sure you come back and check out my channel. So guys, I hope you really like this look. I am digging it. Not sure about the purple hair, but still, I'm a risk taker. I put myself out here every day, and yeah. So bye, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.